Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Remilia token. Name of the token is Remilia, and that is also the ticker symbol. Now this token just got listed on a bunch of really big central exchanges. This is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token on SolScan, since this is a Solana meme coin. Now, if you're looking for the chart and the price, statistical information on this token, you could find it on Birdeye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, maybe even CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Now, this token here, the pair was created, it says, 2 days ago on Radium. According to Dex Tools, this token is up 115.8% in the past 24 hours, doing very well. Now, there's a few central exchange listing announcements here, but a very big one, it just got listed on here. It says, starting today, October 18th, this token just got listed on Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get the Remilia token and you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Remilia, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So you can find their Telegram at Remilia Cult Immunity. That is a playoff of community and cult. 2,893 members, 905 of them are online. So that's going to be a great Telegram to join the discussion with other community members, talk to them about the project, ask questions, that type of thing. Now, if you go to their webpage, kind of looks like old Windows 98 format here. It has a link to their Twitter, Telegram, decentralized exchange, and then, yeah, the contract address is on here as well. Not a ton of information because this is very much just a meme token here. Now, basically, you can get this token off other exchanges, but if you wanted to get it, like you didn't want to use a central exchange and you wanted to get it off a DEX, you can get it off of Radium by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or Solflare or Phantom wallet, whatever wallet you use for Sol tokens. Fund it with Sol, go into the dApps, find Radium, and then using the contract address you could find on their webpage, remiliacult.xyz, or you can find it right here on their Twitter at RemiliaCultSol on Twitter. You would trade your Sol for the Remilia token using that contract address. So it says here on Twitter, there is no sell button. I love you. Then there's a link to their Telegram. It says Remilia Cult on Sol, contract address, webpage. They just joined in October 2024. 162 tweets already, 2,490 followers. So they also have the, in their pinned tweet, they also have the contract address there. So you can find it all over the place. It says, conviction is the play. So, I mean, most of the info is going to be in their on their Twitter, basically. It says no KOLs are shilling this token. The ones who ask for supply early to dump on you. That would not be me, just so you know. I do not, reach out to any crypto tokens, ask for anything. They don't reach out to me. I have no way of contacting me except leaving a comment down there. And even then, I generally just like your comments if it's good or whatever. But yeah, no KOL here. I am just a daily crypto YouTuber who talks about the brand new tokens and the popular tokens and what they are, and that is it. So it says only 2% on the market, top 10 hold only 10%, fully organic. Look at Remilia community, look at Milady community, because it's like the Milady picture there in the profile picture. Tell me we aren't undervalued. Become a cult and send this to where it belongs. Now, 7,990 holders so far, according to DEX Tools. They have here a total supply. It looks like they started out with 1 billion tokens, deflationary. So right now it's 999.65 million tokens. And that is also the circulating supply. Huge market cap. They have a $12.1 million market cap. That is also their fully diluted valuation. Very popular token today, $25.5 million 24-hour trading volume. They are trending number 15 right now in the Solana section on DEX Screener. Token price is about 1.15 cents per token, and that's obviously going to fluctuate with a very popular token. Now they have $542,000 worth of liquidity in Radium, and according to DEX Screener, 98.28% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now they also here, this pair was created 2 days, 1 hour ago, so that's how brand new this token is. They have a quick audit here. It says no mintable tokens. Contract is not freezable. It also says a community claimed ownership of this token October 16th. So brand new community claim here. So this is now no dev in the picture. It says Remilia Cult is the edgy anonymous art group behind NFT projects Milady Maker and Remilio Babies. Now, if the dev's out of the picture, is it still by this project? I don't know. I guess so. That's what it says here. Known for blending anime, internet nostalgia, and post-ironic humor, they embrace subcultures like vaporware and e-girl aesthetics. Controversial yet influential, Remilia challenges art norms while building a dedicated online community. So that's what this project's all about. So let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.